How to enable two-step verification on Telegram. Now, Telegram is this amazing messaging and communication app that is highly secure, right? It has some amazing level of verification and security in it. So in case you want to allow two-step verification on Telegram before sending a text, having or creating a chat, or sharing any of your texts, what you're going to do is you're going to head over to the Telegram app, click on the three lines right here, head over to the settings option, and from the settings option you're going to navigate to privacy and security, and from here in the security option on the top you're going to see two-step verification. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to turn it on. You can set a password that will be required for you to log in on a new device in addition to the code that you get via SMS. You're going to set the password, enter the password in, and you can just simply click on done. This way you have successfully enabled two-step verification on Telegram.